Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook account. Now go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop down, click on See All Profiles. Here you will see a list of pages. Click on the page you want to delete. Once you are on the page, go to the top right again and click the page's profile picture. Then click Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now look to the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you find a section called Access and Control. Click on it. Inside this section, you will see the option to delete page. Go ahead and click it. Now Facebook will ask if you are sure. Click Continue and then Continue again. Now enter your password, then click Continue. Finally, click Delete Page and you are done. Your Facebook page is now deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.